All right, guys. Welcome back. Monday, September 29th. We are back after Fair Week. Always a tough week to come back. I'm feeling it as well. But since we're here, let's get back after it. We're talking Bracket Challenge 1. It's due this Friday. No more extensions. We are going to talk about how to edit today, but I wanted to quickly take you through the conclusion, which is really a lot of repetition that then after you repeat yourself, you can modify to have it sound a little bit different so it doesn't sound as repetitive. So how does this work? Part one, review the thesis statement. Steal it from your intro. Exactly what it says. I'm going back to my intro, right? Here we are. Here's my thesis statement connected to the end of my paint the picture. I'm going to take this, copy it. I'm going to bring it down here. Okay, and there it is. Okay, there it is. Now, when you look at this, obviously the ability to edit it and make it look different is going to um, give you a better chance to increase your score. So when you look here, it's my contention that participation awards are needed because they encourage children to try harder, and children also feel as though they have accomplished something and can reach their goals. Um, so there are a couple things you can do here. Let me come back to it after I do the next two. The next part, if you're in period 1, 2, you're just reviewing one thing, 1 point from your body paragraph. If you're in period 3, 4, 5, 6, you're reviewing one thing from each body paragraph. So my first body paragraph encourages children to try harder. Let's go back up there. Cited text. Maybe I want to review this. Take it, bring it down, boom. Okay. Ending with a powerful statement. Participation awards are a critical part of a child's life. That could be my conclusion right here. Done. Repetitive. Um, it's going to sound repetitive, but at least you have all the pieces. We've reviewed where we stand. We reviewed some of our evidence, but now let's reword some and make sure that it sounds right. Okay. So down here is they encourage children to try harder, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my review of the thesis statement just what side I'm on. Okay. It is my contention that participation awards are needed in a child's upbringing. Okay. Let's make that our review of the thesis. Now, down here, let's take this and use it here. I could say something like, first, these awards encourage children to try harder, period. According to Dr. Gail Gross, I like that better already. Okay, so I get rid of this here. Again, period 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just did this one. Obviously, you still have to review your second one. But now my conclusion looks more like this. Here's my claim. Down here is my first thesis reason, right? So they're all still in there. They're just not in the same sentence. You see what I mean? So this part that I have highlighted used to be up here. Now I've brought it as more of a sentence starter for my review. Okay, let's look at the review. This looks like paraphrasing to me. According to Dr. Gail Gross, a recognized expert and educator on development, education, and behavior. Let's put children as they grow up do not want to be viewed as different. They want to truly fit in. Let's continue with what that actually means, right? I don't know if we had that up here. Let's see. Children who work hard and give effort will overcome the children who rely on their natural talent. Am I reviewing the wrong thing? Let's use our cited text one. And again, so you can see how this continued to change and move. I don't know why I'm reviewing the paraphrase part. Let's review the cited text. First, these awards encourage children to try harder. Dr. Gross, so let's change this. Dr. Gail Gross, let's say fancy, contends that, in fact, your child will try harder and enjoy sport more if, rather than being singled out for their talent, they are rewarded for their participation. Boom, I love it. That cited text it specifically proves this point. Good, boom, done. Period one, two, you'd be done. Period three, four, five, six, you do the exact same thing. Second, these awards, and then you would review your second reason. That's the conclusion, guys. That's it. Okay. Thumbs up. Go get it.